Hello, hello, welcome back to my channel. It's me, SB, and we are back with another tatting tutorial, and we are working out of the Tatting Book from 1938. So as you can see here, this is the pattern that we are going to be learning how to make today, and it is so beautiful. I love it. Look at this. My favorite part is these little rings that are coming off from the center. Oh my God, it just looks so elegant. I don't know. I think it would look really, really pretty as a necklace. Look at that. That's like perfect. So as always, I am just going to show you the pattern repeat so that way you can make it as long as you want. And we are just going to be working with our ball thread. So don't worry about leaving the needle thread super duper long. So let's start with a ring 0, and ring 0 consists of 5 picots separated by 2 double stitches. And I am leaving my picots about, let's see, I have my trusty picot gauge here. It is roughly the 3rd step on a picot gauge. I am so sorry. I will put up the measurement up here because my picot gauges are DIY'd, so they don't have the measurements on there. So 5 picots separated by 2 double stitches. Let's go ahead and close our ring. And there is ring 0 complete. Let's go ahead and reverse our work. Go ahead and lock that ring in. And the reverse work here is where we are going to start the repeat pattern. So after you reverse work, we are going to work a chain. And this chain is going to consist of 2 picots separated by 6 double stitches. And these picots are going to be the same width as the other picots. Let's go ahead and close our chain. Reverse your work and close your chain. There we go. And on to ring 1. So that is going to be 2 double stitches, picot, 2 double stitches, and we are going to join to our first ring. So we're going to skip the first picot here and join to the second one. So this pattern, it is very, very easy just to use your needle to join. All right, all nice and joined. So technically we have 2 picots. So let's go ahead and continue on. So 2 double stitches. And now we are going to do 3 picots separated by 2 double stitches. 2 and 3. So you should have a total of 5 picots for this ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's go ahead and close our ring. Reverse our work. And lock that ring in place. There we go. And this is what we have so far. Okay, next up is a chain, and this is just 6 double stitches. 4, 5, and 6. Let's go ahead and close that chain. Make sure we have it going the right way. Reverse your work. Lock that chain in place. And for our next ring, we are going to have 6 picots separated by 2 double stitches. 1, 2. Let's go ahead and close our ring. Reverse our work, making sure that you have everything set correctly. Let's go ahead and lock this ring in place. There we go. And we are doing another chain, which is just 6 double stitches. 3, 4, 5, 6. Close that chain. Reverse your work. And on to ring 3. So ring 3 is going to be 5 picots separated by 2 double stitches. Let's go ahead and close that ring. Reverse your work. Lock that ring into place. And this is what we have so far. Doesn't look like much yet, does it? So on to our next chain. This is where it really starts coming together. So our next chain is going to be 6 double stitches. 3, 4, 5. We are going to join to the first chain that we made, the one that has the picots on it. So we're going to join to that adjacent picot, that first one that we see. Let's go ahead and join. 6 double stitches. Picot, 6 double stitches. That's what you should have so far. Let's go ahead and close. And that's what creates that little kind of diamondy shape. Reverse our work. Lock that chain. For ring 4, we are going to do 2 double stitches, picot, 2 double stitches, we are going to join to the adjacent ring. So once again, we are going to skip that first picot, the one that's closest to the chain, and then join to that second one. And you should have a total of 5 picots for this ring. Let's go ahead and close it. And that is the repeating pattern. So you will continue on repeating from the reverse work. So reverse work. So next you would work that first chain that we worked initially. Ring 1, 2, 3, and 4. And that's it. I mean, you just keep going, repeating those steps in all of those chains. It's really not that hard once you get to it. As you can see here. Beautiful. I love it. It's so cute. As always, it'll always look better once you block your work. And I always will be putting all the instructions at the end of the video, so that way you don't have to watch the whole thing over and over again. You can just go to the end, hit pause, and have the instructions in front of you. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. It is so cute. I love it. It is like probably my favorite one so far that I've done. It looks the most regal, that's for sure. I think it really does. It looks so pretty. It looks pretty just like this. It could be a little earring or something. Beautiful. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit the like button. Drop a comment down below if you see any tatting patterns that you would like me to try. I will definitely give it a go. Happy tatting. Bye.